Good morning, fourth grade, and welcome back again to the 4G Rating Corner. Now, this week we have been working on the topic of favorite holidays. We did a brainstorming called Pick, List, and Choose that helped us figure out which holiday we should write about, which one had enough information or enough ideas generated by ourselves to write about. And then we went on to learn how to write an interesting beginning to hook your reader with a question, an exclamation, an onomatopoeia, or an amazing fact. And now today we are going to be learning how to finish our introductory paragraph, because we can't just use the hook. That's only one or maybe two sentences. We need 3 to 5 sentences for a good introductory paragraph. And this is before we even talk about our main ideas of friends, families, and food, and fireworks, and all that good stuff that I put up there. So we are going to be doing 4.11b, I can develop a draft using a topic. And you see up here, I have written my question hook. Do you know how many hot dogs are eaten on the 4th of July? And then I answered it with an interjection, which is kind of like an interruption because it's not a complete sentence. You use an exclamation point. I put 150 million. It's something exciting, like yay or wow. Those are interjections, okay? And I'm going to put on here next, I'm going to start introducing you to the topic of my paper. Remember, the topic sentence will include the 3 main ideas that you're writing your paper about. So I'm going to write here, but the food, oh, there's one of my main ideas. You see it? Isn't the only reason I love oh, here comes my capitals. It's a holiday, gotta capitalize it. 4th, running out of room there, of little words though, not capitalized, July, period. You heard my voice go down, July. So we put a period there, okay? Now I introduced the food. There are 2 other things I said I loved about the 4th of July. Fireworks and friends. So I have to put those in there too. All right, so let me think how to do this. I also am a huge fan of fireworks and spending time with friends. Friends. Period. My voice went down again, so I put a period. Spending time with friends. So I put a period. Okay? So what I have done here, if you see, I have introduced my 3 paragraphs that I'm going to be writing. 1 about food, 1 about fireworks, and 1 about my friends. Okay, now let me go on, and we are going to look over here. I also use an exclamation, fireworks, friends, food. Well, you say, Miss Raymond, that has your 3 main ideas in there. It does, but can we just do that for an introductory paragraph? That's not a paragraph. So let me show you, if I was going to use the exclamation, how I'd write my topic sentence. Okay, I am going to draw a little line to separate these. Okay, so, and then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to do my exclamations. Fireworks. Friends. Food. Okay, like I said, this is my 3 main ideas. Okay, fireworks, friends, food. But that's not enough for an introductory or a topic paragraph. Okay, all of these, I'm going to put all of of these. Now notice I'm beginning a paragraph, so I indented again. I started each one with the capital, but the capitals are not going to go in the middle of my sentence. So I'm not going to let them sneak in there. All of these are reasons I love the 4th, oh, except for here, we got to have a capital here because this is a holiday. 4th of July. Okay, so here we have a topic sentence. Now, because I can't just do the 3 main ideas, I also have to let them know that what holiday am I talking about? It could be New Year's, friends, family, fireworks. Okay, because a lot of people do fireworks on New Year's. So I have to let them know exactly what I'm going to be talking about in my paper. So that's what the purpose of the topic sentence is, because when the reader knows what to expect, they can learn the information better. Okay, so we're going to draw another line here. And I'm going to give you another example, because I also use an onomatopoeia, which is a sound word. Okay, I use boom, explosions and light fill the sky. So I didn't just use an onomatopoeia, I also used an exclamation. That's okay. You don't want to do too much of that, but a little bit really will hook your reader. Again, indent, because I'm starting a new paragraph. Boom, explosions and light fill the sky. Now, this is not enough for an introduction, okay? Because remember, our introductory paragraph has to be 3 to 5 sentences, and we want to introduce the main ideas of our paper in the topic sentence. So, boom, explosions and light fill the sky. It's 4th of July, my favorite holiday. It's is short for it is, so I put the apostrophe. It is 4th of July, or it's, oh, here goes a capital on my holiday again. 4th of July, comma, my favorite holiday. And actually all the holidays are my favorites, but because this paper just has to be about one holiday, I had to pick one. Okay, so did I still introduce them to my 3 main ideas? I did not, so I got to keep going. But I had to explain what was going on because, again, it could be New Year's or something else going on. It could be a storm, explosions and light fill the sky. So I have to explain what's going on here. It's 4th of July, my favorite holiday. And I put a comma here. Listen to the pause. It's 4th of July, my favorite holiday. Did you hear the pause in there? Anytime you pause and you're speaking, comma, you put a comma in. Okay? So it's 4th of July, my favorite holiday. Okay? I love the, here come my 3 main ideas, fireworks, the food, comma, and spending time with my friends. Period. All right, so I have shown you 3 different ways to start a paper, okay? But you'll notice something is the same about all of them. 1, there's a hook. 2, it always has the 3 main ideas: fireworks, food, friends, okay? So a good introductory paragraph will have a hook, and it will explain the main idea of the paper. okay? 4th of July, fireworks, friends, food, so that your reader will know what you're writing about.